you keep them wherever you keep them, and to be stolen, it is very hard. You see, like now the ones we have here, they are far away from home, and they have never experienced the time that they have been stolen. And also I can say that the bees have been doing very well, because we usually harvest after when the times there are a lot of flowers. We do it like every month, or when they are it's about two months. And every hive we harvest about 9 to 13 kilos per hive. So I can say they are doing very well.
Kuna vile tulifanya utafiti wetu tukaona wakulima wanasumbuka na nyuki wakiwa kwa shamba. Manake kama vile huu tumeweka mizinga mingi hivi, watu ambao wanataka kupalilia hapa karibu hivi inakuwa ya changamoto. Kwa hivyo tukafanya utafiti wetu tukaona vile tunaweza kufanya ile tunaita restrictive apiary. So ni kusema mizinga tunaweka pamoja ndio, lakini tunatengeza fence all around, na hiyo fence tunaweka net fulani. Hiyo net tukiweka tunaweka kiwango fulani cha urefu. Sasa inabidi nyuki badala ya kupaa kwa tuseme height ya human being, wao wanapaa kama helicopter. So wanapaa juu kabisa, halafu wanatembea.
Durable, because once you buy, you see the wooden one, they can get spoiled maybe because of rain, because of the sun. But these ones, if you buy once and for all. The other thing I can say that these ones are able to control the weather. When it is hot or when it is cold, it does not affect the production of the bees. So when it is hot, when it is cold, the production of the honey, it's constant.